If you want to see your storage space or the storage that you're currently consuming in your Yahoo Mail, then this is how you're going to do it. So first off, one thing that you need to note of is that you can no longer find it in the new Yahoo interface. So for this tutorial, I headed back to the basic version of Yahoo. Now, if you don't know how to do that, or if you don't know how to go back to the basic version of Yahoo or the classic view, then you can watch some other of our tutorial for you to find it. Now, for this one, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to the settings right here at the top right corner of the screen. So you're just going to click on that, and then from here you will see all of the options right here. So if you just scroll down, you cannot find any storage right there. But what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the more settings button right here at the bottom of that tab. You're going to click on more settings, and then from here you're going to head over to the left side menu or the left side panel, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, or going to look all the way down until you see this storage. So as you can see here, I have 1 terabyte of storage, and this is the amount of storage that I'm currently using. That means none means I'm not using a lot. I am currently consuming only a very, very small space of this 1 terabyte of storage. So you can see this none if you are not using a lot of storage space. But if you are currently using an adequate amount, or if you're properly using it appropriately, then you can see numbers right here. And that's it. That is how you can view your Yahoo Mail storage. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And if you need more tutorials, you can just check out some other videos from our channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.